Alright y'all, welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today I'm going to use my barbecue pulled pork. I'm going to use the leftovers for barbecue spaghetti. So let's get it on. Here's what we're going to do. I've got the usual suspects. I've got chopped onions. I got chopped yellow pepper, chopped red pepper. And I'm going to saute these up real quick. A little bit of olive oil. Oops. Don't want that lid falling. That should be good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put these in. Just like that. I'm just going to let these saute up. Let them cook up a little bit. Cook the bitterness out of the onion until the onions are nice and translucent. Doesn't that look beautiful, folks? And you know it smells good. You just know it smells good. Alright, folks, now we got that all sauteed up. Add in our pulled pork, our leftover pulled pork. Get that nice and heated up. Oh, Lord, that smells good. I'm telling y'all, folks, this is going to be the best spaghetti you'll ever eat. I promise. Alright, folks. Now I'm going to add just some simple old Hunt's pasta sauce. Nothing great. Just keep it simple, baby. And then, of course, you can't have barbecue spaghetti without some barbecue sauce. Here's some Texas-inspired barbecue sauce by Private Selection. If y'all haven't tried this, please get out and try it. This is bomb. Just pour it down there just like that.
We love Kroger.
Oh yeah, Kroger's. Kroger is my second home. Yeah. Just give that a nice good mix. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some parsley. Let that cook in there just like that. Oh my gosh, that smells good, folks. If y'all can only smell this. Okay, folks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that simmer for about 30-45 minutes. Let them flavors really cook in there. I'm going to go ahead and get my noodles ready. And then when I come back, we'll go ahead and toss these noodles in. And then we'll go ahead and take a bite. We'll see here in a little bit. Folks, I forgot to get garlic at the grocery store, so I'm going to have to do with garlic powder. But that's alright, we'll make it work. Just a couple tablespoons should do the trick. Come on. That should work. And also, if y'all know me, I love my salt seasoning. Can't go without that. Mix that in there. Alright, folks, now we're going to go ahead and let that simmer, okay? I'll see you back here in a little bit. Alright, folks, as you see, our water's boiling right now. Just in case, if some of y'all might not know this, a little trick. Just pour a little bit of oil in there. Olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you want to use. What that'll do, that'll keep your noodles from sticking, and that'll keep your water from boiling over. Go ahead and add our noodles. And we're going to let that cook down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it kind of al dente. I'm not going to cook it fully all the way. Then I'm going to dump it in the sauce and then let it cook the rest of the way. It's going to be delicious. All right, I'll see you here in a minute. All right, folks. These are a little bit al dente, like I said. So what I'm going to do, dump them in the sauce. Let them cook the rest of the way. Folks, I wish y'all were here with me, man.
It smells so good.
Y'all would love this. Just mix that in real good. Get it all mixed around. Use a little spaghetti fork. I guess that's a spaghetti fork, right?
Yeah.
All right, folks. I'm gonna let that go for about another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna dig into this. I'll see you back here in a minute.
Bye.
All right, folks. We're ready.
Mama,
We'll plate us up some spaghetti.
Mama, ready?
Yeah.
Y'all know me, man.
Mama,
I like my spaghetti, so
mouth.
definitely don't be stingy.
Open your mouth.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna open his mouth, eat some of the spaghetti.
Thank you, baby.
There you go. And folks, what kind of spaghetti would this be if we didn't have some Parmesan? Put some Parmesan on that bad boy. And I don't have much parsley left, but I know how you folks love your garnish. So, there you go, folks. Barbecue spaghetti. Let's take a bite. Here we go. I'm done, man. That is good. Give that a try, man. That is the best spaghetti you'll ever eat in your life. I promise you. Oh my God, that's good. Give it a try, folks, please. Well, folks, there you go. Honestly, and from my experience, that's the best spaghetti I have ever had in my life. Please, folks, give it a try. Listen, I appreciate y'all watching me again today. I appreciate the love and the support that y'all have given me. God bless y'all. I hope to see y'all back here soon. And remember, always keep it simple, okay? I'll see y'all next time.